What's up, YouTube? It's SRT Sky. It's Saturday morning, so today's video, I'm basically just gonna be giving y'all one little POV drive, every little vlog today. Just me and my girlfriend driving around. It's 50 degrees outside, so it's pretty darn cold. So whenever she gets out here, I'm gonna have her cold start the car for y'all, because for some reason my remote don't come with remote start. Something I plan on getting installed. Yeah, here she is. Get a little walk around for her. I know she's dirty. I might actually get a car wash today for the video, but got some brand new tires on the car 2 days ago, all four. Breaking them in currently. You know, y'all see that 392, big boy engine, 6.4. But yeah, I'm really trying to start being active on the YouTube for y'all. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, that's really when I'm gonna try and start pushing out the videos for y'all. But yeah, I hope y'all start liking the content. I did invest into this GoPro to start giving y'all some better footage, because I know it was even hard for me just recording on my phone. So I do plan on doing that, just being a lot more active for y'all. So if y'all can, just please subscribe, just support me. I am new to this, so it's gonna be getting better as time goes through. I'll get back to y'all when I'm gonna give y'all that cold start. Bye. Get y'all put on the head strap once the car warms up, and we'll be good to go. Hope y'all enjoyed that. Traction off, custom mode 2. Nice POV. Nothing too crazy. Okay. Yo. stays alive until at least we at least get to the location. Spinning in third gear. Yep. Oh, got a little loose in fourth. Wait. Camera died, so we had to recharge that. I'll have it off a little bit. I'm just gonna be precious with the gas pedal. Steer was smooth, I'm not gonna lie. Surprised you weren't like, damn babe, how you do that? How you do that? Man, come on. No, go left. Yeah, for my car don't sound stock, but it's stock. I don't know how, but it's stock. Cause I've been in my homeboy's Scatpack, and even my other homeboy that's been in his said mine seems faster for some reason. It sounds better.
In a minute.
Man just completely ran that red light. And that's a cop right there. Look, he's...
No way, we caught this on video. Watch him, he's finna light his ass up. That's
yeah, he going straight for him. He going straight for him.
No way. Let it turn green. Let it turn green so we can catch this on camera. No fucking way.
He got him. I see the lights.
No
I see the lights.
That's funny as fuck. Come on, turn
buddy.
green.
Yep,
there they are.
There they are.
Oh, he tried to book out of there. You see he was in the turning lane.
He thought he was in my car. Cause boy, I would not let that slide. No, I got that keep up plate on, boy,
Florida
at all
shit.
times.
Florida and our bad drivers. Damn.
Damn.
There's a car right there, up there.
Charlie up there. Oh yeah, we just hit the interstate. Keep that out of the YouTube. y'all don't gonna see what I just put away. Bro, I'd be so nervous going around corners with my traction completely off. feed me while I drive, guys. Alright, YouTube, so I know the camera quality is probably mad dark right now, so this probably ain't the best outro. It's just extremely dark right now, and I was just trying to record y'all a quick outro before the GoPro died. It's at 5%. But, yeah, the weather just got really bad, so I ended up just stopping the GoPro. I'm gonna have some new footage for y'all recorded tomorrow, which would be a Sunday, but I am gonna be uploading this same day. So hope y'all did enjoy this GoPro footage. Please subscribe, like, and hopefully y'all enjoy. Bye.